Tutorial Video 2. Unboxing the charging station crate. Remove the clips on the front of the crate using a hammer or screwdriver. Remove the bolts attaching the front panel to the crate. Pull off the front panel to remove it completely. Remove the remaining 7 bolts from the sides and back of the crate. Remove any plastic wrap covering the power supply box. Remove the 6 bolts attaching the power supply box to the pallet. Attach safety-rated lifting straps to the 2 eye bolts on the power supply box. Using a crane or forklift rated for at least 1,100 kilograms, lift the power supply box off of the base pallet and gently place it on the ground in the desired location. The charging station crate can now be installed. Refer to section Charging Station of HD-1500 User Manual for further instructions on installing the charging station crate. A certified electrician is required to connect the power supply box to AC power.